Good morning, this is Mickey Maldini with OC Home Restoration. We are today, Saturday, November 14th, 68 days from start to completion of this home. You can see the prior post. I'll guide you guys through what we've done. We have completely, basically did all the electrical in the house, can lighting, HVAC, AC, remodeled both bathrooms, all new flooring. There used to be a load-bearing wall right here. There was two of them. You can see in the prior videos, we removed the load-bearing wall. The old kitchen sink was over there facing the bonus room. We relocated it here. As you can see, open concept, real clean, shaker-style cabinets, pouring on countertops. We're just waiting on Monday. The hood's going to be installed. We redid the fireplace, as you can see, the flooring, baseboards, texture, doors, and the bathroom. You could walk in here, so it's kind of small, but you can see the bathroom of the before and after. Huge, huge improvement on it. So folks, if you want the job done right the first time with no additional cost whatsoever, like most companies and most contractors, call us, OC Home Restoration. We do all the work ourselves. We do not use subcontractors, and I have full control over each and every job. You can read all our reviews online, Google, Houzz, Yelp, and visit our website along with Facebook. Enjoy.